Would you join me for those stories and more at 6:30?
Now, did you play computer games growing up? Space Invaders, that's our generation, isn't it? Pac-Man, maybe Mario Brothers, maybe you still do. The popularity of gaming has seen the industry grow to a whopping £275 million a year.
Yeah, it generates more money than Hollywood now. Claire McGlasson went to meet some youngsters in Cambridge, hoping to carve out a career in consoles.
Our game is about solving writer's block through the beauty of reality.
It's a space colonization game.
It's a survival horror game inside of a computer that we're working on.
If you know, you know. Fortunately, these students are fluent in gamer jargon, which is just as well, because they're not here to play. Coming to the FXP Festival in Cambridge Regional College today to learn from some of the industry's leading figures.
Wow!
Like the creative director of Jagex, based in Cambridge.
When I was this age, I used to take board games that I thought were awful and rewrite the rules for them. So it was always my dream to make games. The reality of games development can be quite different. It can be hard, it can be challenging.
Mark co-founded the festival to show students the potential for careers and help those who traditionally have not been represented in the industry to level up.
One of the things we're trying to do is get students to see where what they're doing in class can lead to, and seeing Mark speak to them, encourage them, talk to them about what he does, definitely that would encourage them to get into the industry.
The jobs are varied. Programmers, yes, but artists too. Musicians, storytellers.
Yes, so
the teams have got just one day, not only to design and start to make a game, but also to pitch it. And on top of that, they've got to decide how to spend a budget of £20 million, hypothetically, of course, which is on the low side when it comes to the country's most popular games.
But to use another gaming phrase, these students are gaining experience points.
I feel like that's very mathsy. It helps people with, if you're like resource management, then you can different numbers that you need and stuff like that. So
It can make you understand how they develop it and everything that really goes into developing a game.
You can do anything you want within reason.
A room of potential new recruits for whom playing games could become a serious business. Claire McGlasson, ITV News, Cambridge.
Future multimillionaires.